Hello, I'm Scott Ortwine with NightFishion. We're here at Renegade Marine in Litchfield, Kentucky. We're going to show you an installation on a Nitro Z9. Hey guys, for the installation what you'll need is some wire cutters, wire snips, you'll need some strippers, some wire strippers, you'll need some cutters, you'll need some crimpers, you'll need a drill bit, possibly a step bit, flathead screwdriver, some electrical tape, tape measure, a silver Sharpie if you have one, and some zip ties, some wire, butt connectors, and joint connectors. Okay, your first step in starting your NightFishion system is removing the old insert. Take a screwdriver, pinch a small section out, start removing the insert. This is also a great time for you to check any loose screws that may be on your base plate. You can tighten those down. Okay, step 2 is we're going to remove the front panel here. This is where we're going to gain our power, add our switches to illuminate the NightFishion system. Most of your boats will have power running to the front, as shown here. Okay, this is our NightFishion rubrail system here. When you pull it out of the box, it'll be joined in what looks like two sections. Okay, you uncoil, and you will notice you have a line with two arrows pointing. This is the center mark that you match up with the center of the bow on the boat. Okay, we're lining up the center of our NightFishion system to the center of the bow. We'll give you equal measurements down both sides of the boat. You want to take a flathead screwdriver, just kind of pry that insert in there and start working it in on both sides. Once you have it pinched in, you can slowly start working it in with your hands down, moving on down, getting ready for your next step. Okay, now once we get our rub rail started, you'll have noticed at the end of the docking lights there'll be a lead running towards the back of the boat. We want to start our first port of entry right there at the end of that first docking light. What we do is take a drill bit, you drill one hole, taking your wire, running into that hole, pulling it in. After your holes are drilled and the wire is run into the boat, what you'll do is start pinching that insert down once again. Okay. Clean finish with no exposed wires. Unrolling the kit as you go. This takes pressure off of the lights It also gives you plenty of room to work. Keeps everything nice and uniformed for you. Occasionally you may need a flathead screwdriver if your fingers get tired. Okay, once you get down around the corner of the boat back to the transom, you need to make your final cut of the rub rail. Will always send you excess amount, so you're measuring exactly to your end cap here and cutting specific length off at the back of the boat. And this will work in sliding underneath the end cap. For a clean finish. Once you've installed your rub rail, all you do is go back and reattach your end caps to your rub rail and fasten it to the boat. Now that your rub rail is in place, our next step is installing the switches. Just choose a location that you would like and go ahead and just mount the switches. Okay, we want to drill about a 5/8 inch hole for each switch here. I'm using a step bit, make it simple. The copper end is up. Drawing a bunch of holes in it. Alright, what we're going to do is add a fuse line here to the main power from the boat. Just in case anything were to go wrong, it'll pop the fuse here. This is the main power, so main power to the switch. It's at the bottom post on each switch. So add bottom power, bottom is power. Okay. And we'll have your power from the light will be in the center. Docking lights, which are married together on the inside of the boat, will go to the center of the middle switch. Your other side black lights and moon glow. The top, middle is power for the lights, and the copper end is your ground. You have to ground the switch to get the light to illuminate on the switch.
I've been trying to get you in there.
Get a little louder over there, please. Great. Okay. Now we're set. All we would do now is add the fuse. Adding the fuse to the system. And then what we would do then is clean it up inside, just zip tie it a little bit, and we're finished here.